Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Grammar Crash Course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about modal helping verb. What is modal helping verb?
Modal helping verbs provide additional and specific meaning to the main verb of the sentence. The following are modal helping verbs: will, would, shall, can, could, may, might, should, must, have to, ought to, and need to. The modal helping verbs will, would, shall means intention or obligation. For example,
I will pass my final examination. Will.
I will pass.
I will accept your offer. Will.
I will accept.
We shall do our best. Shall.
We shall do.
Matthew shall obey the rules. Shall.
Matthew shall obey.
I would like to come along. Would.
I would like.
Matthew would like to have more free time. Would.
Matthew would like. The modal helping verbs can, could, means ability. For example,
I can say the alphabet backwards. Can.
I can say.
I can speak 2 languages. Can.
I can speak.
I can speak French. Can.
I can speak.
I could help you paint that room. Could.
I could help.
I could play the guitar when I was younger. Could.
I could play.
I could run 8 miles in my 20s. Could.
I could run. The modal helping verbs may, might, means possibility. For example,
I may join you later. May.
I may join.
Matthew may be at home or at work. May.
Matthew may be.
Matthew may be upset. May.
Matthew may be.
The bill might pass by a slim margin. Might.
Bill might pass.
Your bag might be in the dining room. Might.
Bag might be.
Matthew might be on the bus. Might.
Matthew might be. The modal helping verbs may, might, can, could also means permission. For example,
I can drive Matthew's car when he is out of town. Can.
I can drive.
Matthew can stay out after 8 p.m. Can.
Matthew can stay.
We could have come along if we wanted to. Could.
We could have.
I could travel around the world if I had more time. Could.
I could travel.
You may leave the house after cleaning your room. May.
You may leave.
You may wash the dishes. May.
You may wash.
I might win if I entered the contest. Might.
I might win.
I might go with you if I didn't have to work. Might.
I might go. The modal helping verb should means recommendation, obligation, and expectation. For example,
You should join us. Should.
you should join.
You should do your homework. Should.
You should do.
You should win by a large margin. Should.
You should win. The modal helping verbs must, have to, ought to, need to means necessity. For example,
You must join us. Must.
you must join.
You have to win. Have to.
You have to win.
Matthew ought to get the promotion. Ought to.
Matthew ought to get.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the correct answer.
1. Matthew, blank, be home by now. Where can he be? A. Should. B. Could. The correct answer is letter A. Should. Matthew should be home by now. Where can he be? 2. Your arm is broken. You, blank, go to the clinic. A. Ought to. B. Will. The correct answer is letter A. Ought to. Your arm is broken. You ought to go to the clinic. 3. Matthew had a heart attack. I, blank, call an ambulance. A. Will. B. Might. The correct answer is letter A. Will. Matthew had a heart attack. I will call an ambulance. 4. You, blank, come early tomorrow. A. Need to. B. Has to. The correct answer is letter A. Need to. You need to come early tomorrow. 5. They, blank, hear him because he was shouting. A. Could. B. Couldn't. The correct answer is letter A. Could. They could hear him because he was shouting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.